Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Use 250 grams cream cheese, 50 grams butter, and 100 milliliters whole milk, gently heating until smooth but not boiling. Whisk 60 grams sugar with 3 large eggs until pale and ribbon-like, then temper eggs with a third of the warm cream cheese mixture to avoid curdling. Sift 40 grams cake flour and 20 grams cornstarch into the batter and fold gently just until combined. Do not overmix. Fold in 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon fine salt. Preheat oven to 320 degrees F, 160 degrees C, and prepare a deep pan for a bain-marie by placing a folded towel in the bottom and filling with hot water to halfway up the cake pan. Pour batter into a 20-centimeter springform or 8-inch pan lined with parchment, tapping to remove large air bubbles. Bake in a water bath for 60 to 75 minutes until top is light golden and jiggles slightly when nudged. Avoid overbaking to maintain a silky, jiggly interior. Cool cake in the oven with door ajar for 30 minutes to prevent sudden collapse, then remove from the water bath and peel away parchment. Refrigerate at least 4 hours or overnight. Chilling improves texture and sets the jiggle so slices hold their shape but still wobble softly. When serving, run a thin knife around the edge, unmold, and slice with a warm, dry knife wiped between cuts. Serve slices with optional powdered sugar or 1 tablespoon lemon curd per slice for bright contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.